Maybe some of you wondering what is us first majors doing right now. You will also believe that we see mountain every single day. But who knows, behind it, we pass a tons of drops that was lied within the first floor. We also fight our fear to strive for the wilderness in the nature. We fight with the sun rays. We fight with our exhaustion to deal with our enthusiasm to love the nature itself. But any price will be paid for see or enjoy the beauty of the nature. And sometimes we also seek for something else. We seek for signals in the middle of the nowhere. We also seek for free rides to saving energy. But let me take you into the further beauty of the nature. I want you to follow me more. These black monkeys are called lutung that protected in Indonesia. You can find it in around Arjuna Mountain and also Anjasmara Mountain. Not only monkeys, you will see some birds that is sitting on the branch of the tree. Some birds also seek for prey because they cannot handle their hunger. And some of them have a very special behavior. While hungry, they will seek their food by singing around and jumping to the ground. And they will seek every inches of their ground to seek another diet that they can consume. This insect probably don't know that he is his prey. And nature is work on their own. Not even us can bother the stability of the nature. It is our destructive behavior who distract the nature of doing their job, giving the habitat of the living inside them, giving us oxygen, giving us water, and giving us much more. This video is created by me to raise our awareness the beauty of nature still exists in the world. It is around you, it is around me, it is around all of us. And here it with my voice and documentary. Bye bye.